it's easy. But I can't do them.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Practicing our backward somersaults. She can't do it very well.
Oh, it's easy. Here, I'll show her. Okay, now, get on your feet. Okay, and get your arms up. Come on, you can do it, and go back real fast.
Oh, I did it!
Hey, let's try it again. That was good. Okay, your arms up, and you roll back.
Oh, it's so much fun!
That was good. Here, I'll show you some other things I can do. Okay, there's a handstand.
Gosh, you're good, Bernie. Isn't she, Daddy? Gosh, that's good, Bernie.
Thanks, but it takes practice.
Come on, let's go upstairs. Don't you want to watch her? No, we'll never be able to do those things. You're just a big old show-off, Bernie. Come on.
What did I do? What did I say this time?
Why don't you want to practice anymore? I just don't feel like it, that's all. But I thought you'd help me tumble backwards. You'll never learn. Besides, I don't feel like it. Well, all right for you. What do you want to do now? Nothing. What are you so mad about? I'm not mad. I just don't feel like doing anything, that's all. Is that your brother playing the piano? Who else? He's good. Come on, let's listen to him. You're playing there.
Thanks. Say, do you know how to play the piano?
No, but I wish I could.
Come over here and sit down. I'll show you how to play something. It's real simple once you know how. This is a piece called Chopsticks. It's real easy. Listen for the first time. Sound easy enough?
Yeah.
Okay, put your first two fingers on these two keys right here. Play it 6 times. Move this finger down one. Keep that one there.
Are you teaching her that silly piece?
Yes, I am. She doesn't know how to play the piano.
Well, I do.
I'll bet you do.
Well, I can.
Well, come on over here and play it for us then.
I don't want to.
But you don't know how, I bet.
Yes, I do. But it is a pretty piece, Daddy. Some pretty piece. It is. I don't like it. I think it's dumb. Then why are you just leaving it? Well, I still think it's a dumb piece.
You two have it out. I've got some studying to do.
Don't worry. Oh, knock it off, Daddy. Come here and sit by me and we can play together. Well, I guess it's about time I went home. Where's my coat? Over there. Bye, Daddy. Bye.
Pass the bread, please, Maury.
Butter?
Thank you, dear. This roast is delicious, dear.
Thanks. Pauline, how about a little bit more pudding? Okay, you've had enough milk for a while. Come on, a little bit.
Gee, she's sloppy.
But she's just a baby. Dottie, don't put that big piece of meat in your mouth. Cut it up. Talk sloppy.
Oh, you be quiet.
Can't we have one meal around here without you two arguing?
He's always starting something.
Look at her, will you? She's really something. Maybe she'll be a drummer when she grows up. She's cute, all right, and smart, too.
Dottie, that piece of meat is still too large. Cut it smaller.
I wish I could eat baby food. Then I wouldn't have to cut anything up. How can anyone enjoy their food?
Dottie, how many times have I told you not to talk with your mouth full? And wipe your mouth.
I wish I were a baby. All you have to do is sit there and let someone feed you.
Honey, would you like me to take Pauline in with me?
No, you just go on in and relax.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Come on. There we go. Dottie, it's your turn to scrape the dishes tonight, and the other two will watch when you're done, all right?
Is it all right if we watch TV while Daddy scrapes the dishes?
Sure, you can do that.
Gee, you're good, isn't she, Daddy? I sure wish I could play the piano like that.
Look at her, will you? She's really something.
I wish I were a baby so I could play all the time. Or I wish I could tumble like Bernie, or play the piano like Murray. I can't do any of the good stuff. What are you crying about? I know. You want to be Pauline, or Murray, or Bernie. So would I. Yes, but how did you know? I have ways of knowing. Who are you, and why do you look so funny? I am you. You call me, me, and no one can see me but you. I don't look funny unless you look funny. I look just like you do. Yes, you do. Only I can see through you. I think it's the other way around. I can see through you. I know more about you than you think I do. But how? Never mind. Anyhow, I'm here to help you. Since you want to be Pauline, or Maury, or Bernie, I'm going to help you be them. How are you going to do that? All you have to do is close your eyes and think real hard that you are them. Is that all? I don't believe you. Try it. You will. But before you do, you have to be sure that you want to be someone else. Don't let me influence you. Good. Now close your eyes. That's right. The room will begin to whirl, but don't be frightened. It will soon stop.
Take a little bit more. That's a good girl. My goodness, you were hungry. A little bit more. Oh, my goodness, you're so hungry today. Ah, that's a good girl. Ah, nice. Oh, just a minute. Mommy's got to get the roast out of the oven. Ooh, that looks good. Ah.
Oh, boy, roast beef.
Get salt. Hot. My darling, you can't eat roast beef. You don't even have any teeth yet. Nice baby food for you.
Ew, that tastes awful.
Are you through? How about some vanilla pudding? That's it. Mommy gets some nice vanilla pudding for you.
Hey, me! Me, get me out of this chair! You know how to get out of it. That's right, I do. I don't want to be a baby anymore. Babies can't do much for themselves. But think of all the attention you get as a baby. It's not worth it. Hey, this is easy. It is fun to be older and to be able to do things you were never able to do before. Hey, I can't stop. Me, stop me. Do you really want to stop? If you do, you may never be good at it. How many times do I have to tell you that only you can stop yourself? I'm trying, but I can't. You're not trying hard enough. Yes, I am, but nothing happens. Perhaps it's because you wanted to be Bernie more than anyone else. Keep trying. Try. There's nothing to it. I always wanted to play like that.
Hey, Maury, you in there? Hey, Maury, come on out here. Come on, Maury, let's go. Hey, Maury, you in there? Hey, Maury, come on. Hey, Maury, can you hear us? Come on, Maury, outside. Let's go.
Hey, Maury, get back to the piano. You have a whole hour yet to practice. Maury, come on, you're not concentrating. That's pretty good, but watch that fingering. I can tell you're not concentrating. Maury, come on, you've got a whole hour yet to practice. Hey, Maury, what are you doing in there? Hey, I don't hear any music yet. Come on now, start practicing.
Stop. I don't want to be Murray or Bernie. I want to be me. I just want to be me. Everything's the same. Or is it? I still can't run as fast as you. Well, you still have to keep trying. I can't do anything. I wish I could play the piano like Maury or be Bernie. Are you sure?
Inside Out is a series of programs and related materials developed and supported by 32 educational agencies in the United States and Canada, with additional support from Exxon Corporation. This program was produced by WVIZ-TV, Cleveland, Ohio, under the supervision of NIT, National Instructional Television.